Hi everyone, Lily here from Harcourt Southern Forest and coming to you from our brand new property. It is Chalet 5-713 Pemberton North Cliff Road in Croatia. You're literally pretty much right bang in the middle of Pemberton and Northcliffe, and you have some beautiful location around you. It's a perfect place for a short-term stay. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom chalet, and it is the perfect short-term zone tourism enterprise. So come and have a look through, and if you'd like to have a look through yourself in person, please do get in touch or keep an eye out for our home open times.